Get ready to quit your 9-to-5 job because I got the top 5 online business that will have you swimming in cash by this year. Hey there, it's Mai. Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? Well, today I got some exciting ideas to share with you that can help you make money from the comfort of your own home. Online businesses are on the rise. There's never been a better time to get started. The potential for making money online is huge, and with the right guidance, anyone can achieve success in the digital world. But let's face it, starting an online business can be daunting. Many people struggle with coming up with ideas or feel overwhelmed by the technical aspects. If you ever felt stuck in this situation, don't worry, I got you covered. Are you ready to break free from the limitation of traditional employment and explore the endless possibilities of online entrepreneurship? Today, I'm going to present to you 5 easy online businesses ideas that you can start right now. These include dropshipping, UGC, affiliate marketing, online courses, and digital products. Let's dive into each of these opportunities. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you can act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. When a customer places an order, you can forward to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This model is attractive because it has a low startup cost, minimum risk, and allows you to offer a wide range of products. You can focus on marketing and customer service while your supplier handles all the logistics. Platforms like Shopify and Aberlo make it easy to start a drop shipping business. Question: have you ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of inventory management? User-generated content, UGC. User-generated content, UGC, involves creating content that showcases and reviews a brand's product, typically shared on social media platforms. This could be in the form of photos, videos, testimonies, or blog posts. Brands love UGC because it provides authentic endorsements from real users, which can significantly boost their credibility and engagement. As a UGC creator, you can partner with brands to create and share this content, often getting paid or receiving free products in return. This is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and social media presence. It could be particularly lucrative if you have a sizable and engaged following. Are you a creative soul who loves sharing your experience and recommendations? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based income model where you can earn commission by promoting other people's products. You typically join an affiliate program and get a unique link to share with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you can earn a percentage of the sale. This model is excellent because it allows you to earn passive income by recommending products and genuinely use and love. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, Like to Know It, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction offer a wide variety of products to promote, catering to different niche and interests. Question: have you ever recommended a product to a friend and wish you could earn commission from it? Online courses and digital products. Creating and selling online courses and digital products can be incredibly profitable and rewarding. If you have expertise in a particular area, be it cooking, coding, fitness, or photography, you can create a course of digital products to teach others. This can include video tutorials, ebooks, webinars, templates, and more. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell your digital products. The beauty of this model is the potential for passive income. Once you create this content, it can generate revenue for you continuously as people purchase your course or product over time. Question: do you have a wealth of knowledge of expertise that you're itching to share with the world? These business models each offer unique advantages and opportunities for generating income. Whether you're interested in leveraging your social media influence, sharing your expertise, or creating an e-commerce business, there's a model that can fit your skills and interests. In summary, these 5 online business ideas provide a range of opportunities for anyone looking to start their entrepreneur journey. Remember, the dedication and the right guidance, you can turn your online business dreams into reality. So why wait? Start exploring these ideas today and see where they can take you. If you found these online business ideas helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on building a successful online business. I love to hear your thoughts and experience, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.